Hello, this is Eric Miscoll with EMS Now. I'm here at IPC Apex on the floor. Came by the SEHO booth. Thought I'd stop by and ask Gus a little information about their new release here. Gus, why don't you tell us what's happening?
SEHO USA is introducing the new Start Selective system. It's a very basic, very entry-level system, easy to operate, easy to use. Still part of SEHO's tradition, German-made equipment, high quality, high reliability from that standpoint. Like I said, it was designed as a plug-and-play system, so the operator, it's very limited, the interface the operator needs. The programming is done offline, it can be done on a laptop, a PC, then the program is transferred over onto the system using a USB stick. Basically, once the program is loaded in, the operator then can start producing boards. It has our standard drop jet fluxing system that is used on all our selective systems. It has our standard IR and quartz preheaters. So from a functioning standpoint, we can preheat the bottom of the board. We can also preheat the top of the board and keep that preheat on the top side also during the soldering process. The soldering is done with this system. It's done with a non-wetted nozzle, so this nozzle doesn't have to be refreshed, retinned. It will last for years. From that standpoint, the soldering is also, the board is also soldered on a 7-degree angle, which simulates the 7 degrees on a wave soldering process. With the other selective systems, it's a horizontal soldering process. So this is a very easy, very functioning machine. It has the process controls that we put on all our equipment, solder level control, wave height monitor, automatic wire solder feeder, so it automatically replenishes the solder in the solder pot.
Now you do the selective solder, obviously, and that's what you're doing here, but SEHO does more than just selective solder, obviously.
We manufacture wave soldering systems, reflow soldering systems. We also do factory automation. We do a large part of our business is with automotive customers, so we can design and build the workbenches for them, the conveyor systems, and bring the boards back to an operator or move it on down the line to other functions. We've also done factory integration with some of our larger customers from that standpoint. We are a very innovative company when it comes to that. Even with our wave systems and definitely with our selective soldering systems, we're always trying to innovate something different. In selective, for example, we're the only one who can put an AOI system into a selective soldering system. So before the board even leaves the system, we can inspect the bottom side of the board for the soldering on the bottom side to make sure the board is soldered before it even comes out.
So it sounds like much more of a whole solution provider for customers. Being able to do this and help configure.
I mean, that's an overused term, but yes, we, from the automation to a single board to multiple boards, we do provide that overall, the complete solution.
Okay. No, very good. Gus, I appreciate this. I appreciate learning more about it, and thank you for your time and sharing with us today.